Hey, welcome back. It's closing time. Last call for today's show. We just breezed right through hour two. Bitcoin Brett and Drew Taylor from the Wild West Crypto Show down at the Litecoin Conference. Our consigliere, Manny Alejandro, is also down there giving us this perspective on jurisdictions and the legal side of things on the new economy. And, of course, still in studio with me is Mike Mikhail. When we talk about traditional money and you need money, you want to get some financing, you got to go to Mike and Stratton Equities. They get you the paper money. Drew and the Cowboys down there, they get you the digital money. And I just sit here and drink alcohol and bring you the guests that know where the rubber meets the road. But Mike, some of our viewers, they actually text me and call me during the show. One particular viewer, Amber from Oklahoma, said that we look like twins today. I wish I had that hair, though. I could tell you that. I mean, this thing here is manufactured like you can't believe. I got the rhino shield, the spray paint. This guy's got a full crop of hair there. So, but we did dress similar today. You look good. So you're downtown Manhattan. I talk about every day the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Today it's running nice, up 100. Over 27,000. I think that, you know, with some good news out of China on the tariffs and the trade stuff, I think that the market's going to be on an upshot. The market going up, does that help you guys in business, or is that a counter effect?
I mean, again, you know, we always go back to this. In the regular, traditional mortgage world, the market heavily affects them. You know, they go up and down. We don't, and that's a big thing about us, is that it stays steady, and people like that. Our rates don't fluctuate the same way. Our guidelines don't fluctuate the same way. You know, you can come to us 6 months later, and things are going to be pretty much very similar to where they were 6 months prior. You can't say that in the regular mortgage world. So things don't affect us the way they affect the regular QM mortgage world, which is great for us and great for our clients.
So in the QM, the qualified mortgage world, you got to go to banks, and then you got Fannie Mae, and you got this whole crazy underwriting process, and you got to fit this credit with that and W-2 and all this other stuff. You guys are just basically dealing with, hey, I got some property, I got a good amount of equity here. I don't want to go through this whole big giant underwriting that takes 2 months. Take a look at what I got. I got a clean title, and then you guys get them money pretty quick, right?
It's not just that. It's the guidelines that we have. So like we have, you know, sometimes people have a great, you know, everything's good, but then they can't show where the money came from on a down payment. You can't get a regular loan, or they haven't been at their job for 2 years. You can't get a QM loan, or their debt-to-income ratio, that you can't get a regular loan. There's so many factors that lead a company to get a traditional loan. We have programs for that.
Fantastic. So when you're watching Liquid Lunch, we bring you the real people. We give you the real talk. I always say our guests know where the rubber meets the road, but this guy is like right there at that moment of inertia between the rubber and the road, because you need money, he gets it for you. You got a property, they underwrite it, they give you an answer right away. Either it's yes or no, but you get an answer, which is even hard to get out of a bank these days. If you don't qualify for a QM, qualified mortgage, and you need some dough, you got to call Mike Mikhail at Stratton Equities. Mike, thanks for joining me today.
Thanks, John.
Thank you for watching. Be back tomorrow, same bat time, same bat channel.